Assalamu alaikum, dear brothers and sisters. Welcome to the next tutorial video. We are in book 1, lesson 1, part 3. We will be mainly practicing what we have learned so far. Let's start with page 6. Bismillah. Okay, if I say ma hadha, how do you answer looking at the picture? Hadha baytun, right? So I asked, what is this? And the answer should be, this is a house. How about if I ask, أهذا بيت? You should say, نعم, هذا بيت, right? So I asked, is this a house? And the answer should be, yes, this is a house. Now I'm going to ask, ما هذا? Looking at the picture, you should say, هذا قميص. And if I ask, أهذا سرير? What would you say? Looking at the picture, you say, لا, هذا كرسي. That's because it's not a bed. سرير is a bed. What we are seeing in the picture is not a bed. So we should say, هذا كرسي instead. لا, هذا كرسي. No, this is a chair. And if I ask, أهذا مفتاح? You should say, لا, هذا قلم. The question was, is this a key? And we answered, no, this is a pen. ما هذا? And the answer should be, هذا نجم. If you remember from the last video lesson, Najmun was a star, so we are asking what is this? And the answer is, this is a star. Now we are at the end of page 6, but let's practice with a few more examples on our own. ما هذا? The answer should be, هذا مفتاح. أهذا سرير? What do you say? نعم, هذا سرير. أهذا قلم؟ لا, because it's not a قلم. لا, هذا كتاب. This is a book. أهذا باب؟ لا, هذا نجم. Now I want you to notice a pattern that we are seeing here in all these new nouns that we learned. Let's write some of them down here. نجم, a star. مفتاح, a key. بيت, a house. كرسي, a chair. First of all, they're all indefinite nouns, right? Now in English, we see the indefinite article a in front of all the nouns. That is how we can tell nouns are indefinite, right? Now, can you notice the sign of indefiniteness in these Arabic versions? What do you think is common in all these words? Let me read them for you. نجم, كرسي, بيت, مفتاح. Can you spot a pattern, something that is the same in all these nouns? Un ending, right? In Arabic, it's called tanween. Basically, the last vowel sign ends with noon. This is the sign of indefiniteness in Arabic, okay? We will later see how to turn these nouns to definite form. But for now, let's just keep in mind that we are learning all nouns in indefinite form. And the sign of indefiniteness is tanween or un ending, okay? We already covered pages 7 and 8 in the last video. Let's wrap up this video with an exercise on top of the page 9 now. It is exercise number 3. We have a few sentences given, and you may have noticed the words do not have vowel signs. That's on purpose. All we need to do in this exercise is to read these sentences properly with the right vowel signs, okay? Try to read the sentence while I draw the picture next to it, and I'll read it for you after that. هذا مكتب. هذا مسجد. هذا قلم. هذا سرير. ما هذا؟ هذا كرسي. أهذا بيت؟ لا، هذا مسجد. ما هذا؟ هذا مفتاح. This is a great exercise to practice writing, so I suggest you learn to write these sentences if you can. Great job, everyone. ربنا زدنا علما. May Allah increase us in knowledge. We will continue in the next video, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.